Hello students! Today we will be reading the story Mr. Bean DIY. So we are learning about the DIY projects Mr. Bean did in his home. First, Mr. Bean rearranges the furniture in his living room. Rearrange means to move around. He is moving the furniture in his living room. He moves a cart, a table, and 2 chairs. This is one of the chairs he is moving. He carries 2 paint cans to the kitchen. This is one of his paint cans, and he carries it in his hand to the kitchen. He drops 2 glass bottles and a bowl out the window between the kitchen and the living room. So this is the window between the kitchen here and the living room here. He drops, like this, he drops a bowl and 2 glass bottles. They break because he moved the table. The table is not there anymore. Let's see. He uses his fingers, his mouth, and 3 pencils to measure the window. Here he is using his fingers. Here he uses his mouth and 3 pencils to measure it and see how big it is. He cuts a new window in the other wall with a saw. This is his saw, a tool for cutting. He is making a new window in the other wall, the new wall. Oh no, he cuts the phone cord. Mr. Bean cuts the phone cord while he's making his new window. He cuts the pictures on the other side of the wall. He makes careless mistakes. This is one of the pictures that he cuts with his saw on the other side of the wall. So he makes careless mistakes by not looking at what's on the other wall before he cuts it. This is Mr. Bean DIY. Thank you for watching. Bye.